Alright, hey YouTube, I just got this big box. I'm going to unbox it for you guys, so I hope you enjoy. Black-river-ramps right there, if you can see that. Alright, so we've got a lot of packaging in here. Oh man, oh man. Oh, look at this beauty. The Winkler Mini right here. Look at that. Check that out. Oh my god. So smooth. This wood is amazing. Guys, just to let you know, I'll be doing a review on all this, so keep an eye out for that. Oh man. It was great. It was great. Alright, what do we got here? We got a little Black River catalog, a Black River store. That's cool. You guys should check out some of those videos on YouTube. Box number 3, Black River box number 3. Look at that. That is nice. Wow. Amazing. Amazing craftsmanship. Oh, ho, ho. Beautiful. Here we got my rip tape I got. Got some rip tape pre-cut for my fingerboards since I might put some new stuff on. Black River iron rail square. Check this beauty out. Look at that. So it's nice and big. I cannot wait. You guys, this is legit. Oh, nice little ring. Oh, hear that? It's like a little bell. Beautiful. Put that right there. Oh my god, all these stickers. Oh man, we got a ton of stickers. I'm just gonna take all these out. We got 2 Berlin wood stickers right here. Black River guy right here. A bird. The bird guy. Fingerboarding prohibited. Skate pools or skate home. Crazy leg pool skateboards. That's interesting, I haven't seen that. Here's also a new one. Rip Zone. Europe. I don't know, I'd have to check those guys out. Right here, Black River sticker, Black River truck sticker, right there. Bali sticker, another small Black River sticker, and Crazy Leg pool skateboards, another one of those stickers. See that? Little stickers you can put on your board or on obstacles and stuff, as the wheels, Harrier, rip tape, flat face, all that. So, very cool. Everything looks beautiful. Can't wait to try this stuff out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will post some links for my reviews of all these things, so you guys can be more informed on the Black River products. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, thank you very much.